We're detonating the biggest explosion in YouTube history, launching a roller coaster off its track,
And so much more. Let's go to the next experiment.
we've got a lot of experiments today, and up next, we're gonna destroy an entire village with a massive creeper explosion. And just for reference, a human-sized version looks like this.
Okay.
But we're gonna be detonating one 50 times bigger.
Steve, somehow you survived the last creeper. This one, I'm not quite sure you're gonna survive.
Oh, we don't believe Steve's gonna make it?
Oh, heck no.
Even though this is 50 times bigger, it has 200 times the TNT.
Bye, Steve. Okay, let's head in the bunker.
Bye, Steve.
Let's send Steve into the abyss.
And just so you know how big this creeper is,
Steve is actually taller than me.
All right, we're in the green zone. This is gonna be a massive explosion. It's getting closer. Any
I
second
don't know
now.
when it's gonna happen. Oh, I'm scared.